Ooh-wee. Listen, let me tell you something. So listen, in today's video, what I'm going to be making is a tempura fried salmon taco with a homemade remoulade sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the remoulade sauce. And in that sauce, it is going to be mayonnaise, yellow onions, fresh minced garlic, because it ain't a recipe without the garlic, pickles, capers, roasted red peppers, lemon juice, some mustard, and I'm also going to add some blackened seasoning, and I'm going to blend that all together until it's nice and smooth. And I'm going to taste it and make sure it's good, and it came out perfect. So then I'm going to go ahead and start with the salmon. Now I did wash this salmon and dry it off, although I did not show that. I'm going to cut this salmon. I think it came out to be about 18 pieces, and then I'm gonna just throw that in a mixing bowl. And for the seasonings, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use that same blackened seasoning that I use for the remoulade, and then I'm gonna hit it with some complete seasoning, and I'm gonna mix that up until the salmon is all nice and coated. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our tempura batter. So it's just gonna be tempura flour and cold water, and then I'm gonna mix that up until it's all nice and smooth, or until it's smooth as it's gonna get. I should have used a china cap, but that's okay, it's already too late. Then I'm gonna dunk that salmon inside of that batter, and then I'm gonna dump it inside some more tempura flour. Then in a pan on medium high heat, I'm gonna drop that salmon in there. um I did this in batches of 2 because, like I said, it was 18 pieces, and I'm gonna let that cook for about a minute to 1 minute and a half on each side. And then once it's ready, I'm gonna remove it out that pan and drop it on some napkin. And this is the finished product, you guys. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Nice and hot, nice and juicy, not overcooked. And I did taste it, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. So I don't have any taco holders, so I just use 2 sides of the remoulade sauce to hold it in place. And I'm gonna use some coleslaw mix. I didn't do nothing special to it. I'm gonna just add it in those taco shells as is. Then I'm gonna drop about 2 pieces of salmon per taco in there, and then I'm gonna dress it with that remoulade sauce. And of course, for some razzle dazzle, you gotta have that parsley on there. And voila, you guys, this is the finished product. Now this recipe was real easy. I'm gonna drop it in the description box as well as the comment section. You guys, you gotta try this recipe out, and if you try it out, let me know what you think.